Do you want to track your family and your driver? Only need SIM card without internet, no monthly fees, it's working free all time. You can listen all time, when you calling, notifications. Live track on map, car speed, stopping, history 180 days. You can listen all time, when you calling, notifications. When the engine starts and stops, speed alarm, accidents. It has an application for all iOS, Android phones and computers. You can link multiple cars to one account and control. We have sameness tracker, portable device. Give you up to 30 days. You can use it and follow close people in all countries of the world. To order, contact with Direct Contact 996-60400, WhatsApp 515-33721, Instagram account Q8 Tracker.